this sounds like something that will end up becoming a guilty pleasure for me and a lot of us. The Tommy Lee, Pamela Anderson Hulu limited series. It's called Pam and Tommy because, of course it is. New trailer just dropped, and it comes on February 2nd, just when we're all cold enough to need something hot and spicy, like Pam and Tommy. It's Ashley Cook with Al Scope on the Highway.
I'm a picture perfect painting of imperfection. I'm a walking definition.
Alright, I'm not too crazy about the snow. I think I plow a little bit, kind of just scratch it. Supposed to be warm tomorrow and Sunday, so hopefully most of this will melt. And this item 4 is like, I don't know, recycled concrete or whatever it is, but there's a lot of fine sand in it, so hoping once this melts it'll kind of mix up and then it freezes, and we'll have a really good substrate, at least till spring. But the problem we got right now is we got a leak in the final drive. We have a less than optimal conditions, but gotta take this plate off. It doesn't seem like it'll be a big deal, so let's do that first. Far so good. Screws aside. Is there one more? Yeah, there's one more. Okay. All right. Maybe I should start the machine up and see where the leak's coming from. Okay, that looks a lot better. Well, I was told there might be a hose, but there's no actual hoses here. So let the machine warm up. Maybe what I'll do in the meantime, I'll take the other side off and we'll clean the other side. The other side is clean. Don't really see any leaks, but it's definitely wet over here. Back together, and I don't know, go get some hydraulic fluid, and we'll see. Of the hill, but when they came to fill up all the machines, they forgot to fill it up. So let's just put some fuel old-fashioned way. I think this is a 50-gallon tank, so we'll just put this in. I'll call the company sometime next week, have them come fill this up again. They're gonna fill up the tank as well. I just want to clean up some of the snow over here, expose the dirt, and kind of run the machine, see what see how big of a leak is going to be. Alright, so yesterday this was dripping pretty much constantly. Right now I don't see anything, but it's cold as hell. So I guess for now we'll go get a bucket of hydraulic fluid and just keep an eye on it, and we'll see what's up. Also, I need to address this. Like this. This is what deactivates the control, and it used to stay up like this. Now it kind of does, but it doesn't. And I took it apart. I couldn't find if there's any spring or anything that hooks up. So what I was thinking is just I'll just get a magnet, mount it right here, and have a magnet hold it in place. That should work. Alright, I'll see you on the next one.